Welcome to the Friday 5 section of Bytes channel. Here we bring week's top 5 updates from IT sector. Microsoft Outlook and Microsoft 365 is down for some users in India. Several users tweeted about the issue, tagging Microsoft Outlook Twitter handle, and the company has acknowledged the issue. However, Down Detector is showing that the issue is mostly limited to less than 1,000 people globally. Microsoft Outlook team is responding on Twitter with a generic tweet that reads, "Thank you for flagging this with us. The engineering team is aware and is actively investigating." More information can be found in the admin center under X223208. We apologize for the inconvenience. Microsoft and Australia's leading telecommunications company Telstra have extended their long-standing strategic partnership to harness new age Internet of Things, edge, artificial intelligence, and digital twin technology. Telstra and Microsoft will build a digital twin across its own commercial buildings with an initial deployment of 5 buildings. When fully deployed, this represents one of the largest Azure-based digital twins in Australia. India is unlikely to revoke a ban on PlayerUnknown's battleground PUBG following PUBG Corp's decision to withdraw the mobile game's publishing rights in the country from China's Tencent. 077.HK, a senior government official, said on Friday. PUBG, a popular online multiplayer battle game, was among 118 Chinese origin mobile applications banned by New Delhi earlier last month. Food delivery apps Swiggy and Zomato have received notices from Google stating that the in-app gamification feature used by both platforms violate its Play Store guidelines, multiple sources told ET. The development comes 12 days after Paytm's apps was temporarily delisted from Google Play Store after the US-based technology behemoth said that the IPL-based cashback promotion flouted its anti-gambling policy. For years, Google and Apple have charged a 30% commission for apps selling digital goods on their app stores. While Apple has been strict about enforcing the fee, Google has typically been lax about it, due to which companies have bypassed the system. Addressing her first annual general meeting as chairperson, HCL Technologies Limited Rashni Nadar Malhotra on Tuesday said the coronavirus pandemic has changed the way entities operate, and as such, digital transformation will continue to drive the company's business agenda. Tough time does not last, but tough people do, or I would say battle-tested businesses do, she said in her address. The pandemic has created new demand for products and services like cybersecurity, e-commerce, digital marketing, and digital experience. For instance, work from home has highlighted the need for ensuring cybersecurity in the last mile between office and home. Digital transformation for our clients and within our enterprise will continue to drive our national business agenda, she said. That's F5 of the week. Thank you for viewing.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.